casual morning. I figured I'd show you the status of the garden because it's so inspiring to see things growing. Look at this. I've gotten several zucchinis that we've eaten, and it's just all going nuts. It really is working very, very well. All kinds of stuff growing. I've got some new stuff I'm going to be seeding in here, some new kale, because last year's kale, I don't know if you guys know this about kale, it's kind of a 2-year plant. I am still getting some decent leaves on this second year kale. First year you get those really big leaves, then it bolts, it goes to seed, and here you can see these are dried ones. I'm going to pull those seed pods off of there. These little guys are the seed pods. And save those, and you can just put them on a soaked paper towel and they'll sprout again and you'll get more. But yeah, it's coming along really, really well, and the compost is kicking butt. What I did here in the compost, I'll show you. I've got this covered right now, a rock to keep it. So here's my worms. There we go, there's some wormies. That stuff in there, it's a green smoothie. I made them a green smoothie. So this is one of the many trays from the worm farm thingy. And it's coconut fiber, worms, food, no meat, please. And what I did was I put it directly onto my compost. And underneath here, I have I can see that it worked, some of that green smoothie, which is just, leftover food scraps. That I put on there, and now they can go out through the holes inside the box. I'm just going to cover this up so it doesn't get too hot. So these guys can, sort of come and go into the actual earth. And I've got the grass clippings and all that stuff to keep it going. I'm just shielding this from the heat because it does get really, really hot. They like the sun. They like the heat. But they don't like to be burned up and dried either. So yes, it's worth it. Just a little bit of effort and you can get food. It's worth it to put in a little time. Oh, this one, Joshua was so proud. This is the world's hottest pepper. He was very excited to get that one, the Carolina Reaper. Kind of intense. So, welcome to the garden. Oh, wait, look. I see one back here. Yay. Yum. Well, I hope this inspires you to get started, All you really need is 4 boards. And you screw them together, dump some soil in there, and you have a garden. And you can feed your family, you can feed your friends, because it's not just for you. It's for uplifting your whole community. Have a great day.